Yo, you guys, so today we're gonna have a look at this phone tripod. It's gonna be a kind of short one because it's pretty straightforward. Still want to share that with you, and let's dive right into this. We got a phone set up already, and then we see how this actually works and how this performs. So let's get this out of the box. Here's a little remote as well that you can use to make it more sufficient, but you can also use your phone in general and control everything from there. So then let's see, we got a little attachment, throw that to the side, we don't need that right now. And then let's have a look at a tripod. So let's unwrap this really quick. And here it is. What a beauty. So we got like our tripods here, down here. You can move them completely freely. There's a lot of angles you can do with that. And you can even wrap it around stuff if that's something you're looking for. And then here you screw that open, and then you can move that top part around. And then we're gonna take this headpiece here, screw that on. This opens up quite nicely. You can pull it open to fit your phone in there. And yeah, as you see, there's two ways to install it here. You can screw it on just like that. That's one option. Or you go for the other one where you just screw it up in the middle, and then you can just scoop in your phone, prepare that, and then you can actually start recording, do what you need to do. So I would say pretty self-explanatory and pretty efficient, and I call this a day, you guys. So I will see you in the next one. Take care. My name is Badger, and I'm out for today. Bye bye.